Ladies and gentlemen, there are moments in life when we feel stuck, unsure, or overwhelmed by the weight of our challenges. But let me remind you, within every one of us lies a fire, a spark of resilience, courage, and potential waiting to ignite. Life will test you. It will place mountains in your path, and at times, it will feel like you're climbing in the dark. But let me ask you, when have you ever grown stronger by staying in the valley? When have you discovered your true self without first being pushed beyond your comfort zone? The truth is, greatness isn't handed to anyone, it is forged through effort, persistence, and belief. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Every stumble is a lesson. And every victory, no matter how seemingly insignificant, is proof that you are capable of more. Let go of the fear of failure, it is not your enemy. Failure is the teacher that sharpens your skills and strengthens your resolve. The only true failure is giving up before you've given yourself the chance to rise. You are not defined by the setbacks you face but by the spirit with which you face them. If you fall 7 times, rise 8. If you doubt yourself, remember this: you have already survived your hardest days, and that is evidence of your strength. Visualize the life you want. Picture yourself crossing that finish line, achieving that dream, overcoming that struggle. You are not just here to exist, you are here to thrive, to inspire, to live a life that matters. So today, take the first step. Speak to yourself with kindness. Act with purpose. Dare to believe in the incredible person you are becoming. Because when you believe in yourself, there is no limit to what you can achieve. Now, go out there and show the world what you're made of. The best version of you is just waiting to be unleashed. You've got this. Thank you.